Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to LSCP. The local time here is approximately 1:15. Please remain seated, keeping your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a stop. The captain switched off the seatbelt sign and the main passenger doors have been opened for you. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure you do take all your hand luggage with you, and please take care once again when you do open the overhead lockers in case a bag falls out. Would you also please ensure that your passports are available for inspection by the immigration authorities. Should you require any further assistance with your other travel arrangements, two representatives will be available inside the airport terminal to assist you. On behalf of your tour operator, Thomas Cook Airlines, Captain John Fraser and the rest of the crew, it has been our pleasure having you on board, and we'd like to wish you all a very enjoyable stay here. We do look forward to seeing you on your return flight. Thank you and good afternoon.